Version history allows you to see changes made to your Google Doc, and it also allows you to see who made those changes. To view version history, you can click here where it says when the last edit was made, or you can go to File, Version History, and click See Version History. To ensure you are able to see changes on the doc, make sure this box here is checked. You can then scroll through to see the history of this doc. If you click on a date, you will see changes made during that specific date and time period. To view more details of the changes made, click on this arrow. I can continue to click to see specific changes made. As you can see, changes are color-coded based on the user who made the change. If you wish to restore a specific version, click on the version and click Restore this version. Click Restore to confirm that you wish to restore this version. As you can see, I get a notification letting me know that this restored version is from that date and time. If you are in version history and you simply just wish to view changes, you can do that by scrolling and clicking the arrows to view more detailed versions. If you wish to exit out of version history, click the arrow here.